those factors which I have mentioned at raw, that all which will make with the proper yogic workout. So now we are going to start result. Right? You, the best job that would give. Then what system you would adopt? Let it come to a normal level. Let it come to a stage where it has to be in equilibrium with your body. And that heat or cold factor, you need to maintain. Too much coldness in your body. If you got too much heat in your body, you got to take that extra heat out of your body. If you got, what is your constitution? Like shivering and all. So in case, now depending about what, and there are certain people a little bit weak and all, they were feeling like they feel the heat is unbearable. Normal temperature also they are sweat. So some people who are always feeling heated up in their body. Right? So much heat, like they have got coldness in who have got not body. And there are people, nature, they have got too much heat in their, particularly have by certain people who automate natures, or we talk about two pravati, that is two constitution, that is, we talk about two in Ayurveda, but when you talk about the human nature, basically completely cool. So now when you're talking about the head has to be kept cool. I was discussing the homeostasis, maintaining a constant temperature. So your head, your scalp region has to be kept. Along with that, before we came onto this, your head and how good your head is spending on your shampoos and the other stuff, but nothing would definitely give you a sure shot cure. So you need to check on your digestion and your eliminatory system also. Yeah. Could also, no matter how good system or how much time you are oiling, discharging your eliminatory system is really on the right track. If there is a sluggishness in that so make sure that you're responsible for the hair loss. That also would be response are in harmony with each other. If you're eating but you're not getting properly eliminated, are you on the verge of getting constipation on and off? So you have to make sure that your digestion and your elimination, both the system that will come is, are you getting constantly to something to do with your digestion and your elimination system? That is first question about Ayurveda, homeopathy and all. They advocate if you have a problem with your hair, that is definitely next thing which is very important, and all the holistic treatment, whether you talk about that, we were talking about the circulation, in increasing the circulation in your scalp area. So this was one thing that you can do it, right? Now, so second thing is, as we finish the session, then I'll come back. I'll explain everything in detail. You can keep any questions you'll have, you can just jot it down and would really go, yeah? Okay, I'll answer all the questions as we finish up the things, because then it will be 2 to 3 times a week, not in a day. And along with for you to apply oil at least 2 to 3 times, and that depends on what kind of oily hair you have. See, normally you have dry hair or a oily hair. So if you have dry hair, so it's necessary for.
We don't want to put oil. We put only this hot water.
See ना है, तो ये आपका पूरा वो भी निकाल देगा. Put it. In case you find the temperatures really become quite cool, आपको heat बिल्कुल नहीं लग रहा है, तो वापस से डालो गर्म पानी में वापस से. But normally that's sufficient. You don't need it. That's sufficient. Yeah, अगर आपने बहुत तेल डाला, हमसे जब हम फूड बात करते हैं तो क्या करते हैं? You take a warm water and you just put your leg inside. So same way, like you take it, just rinse it properly and that's sufficient. 20 minutes तक taking a properly warm water. But normally if you take that, so you can change it. अगर आपको लग रहा है completely, मतलब अगर 5 मिनट 10 मिनट में ही अगर आपको लग रहा है कि ठंडा हो, तब तक आपको हीट लगती है. You squeeze the water. हाँ, तो स्क्वीज तो करोगे ना, नहीं तो फिर पूरा टपकता रहेगा वो.
5-5 मिनट में वो स्टीम को चेंज नहीं करना है ना.
No. See, उसको आप उस वक्त तक लपेटे रहो, तब तक wrap it up. Like how do you wrap it up after the things and all? Wrap it up completely. You get it? Sorry?
Squeeze the water.
How do you do it? The bucket. Now what do? I'm taking it a house is the, suppose my towel. I have rinsed it into the...
You can use this.
See, now this is... See, the thing is that, come over here, I'll show you. Anybody has got a scarf or something? I'll show. है ना आपको? No. Steam कैसे लोगे आप?
कपड़े में स्टीम रहेगी ना.
Steam नहीं, steam की जरूरत ही नहीं. You can keep it on the thing.
Steam is not
for warm water. Okay, and if you do it, if you're taking a proper surface for a while, so that's because your face is very delicate. Your scalp is quite hard. They leave it on the, so they do. They take a hot towel, put it into the hot water, and afterwards they scrub it your face completely. And कहीं पे ज़्यादा अगर dirt warming up, whenever you are oiling it, that you can just warm it up and apply it on your face. Oh, sorry, on your
half a minute this smoke or you have to give smoke, no?
Sorry?
That towel, hot water, we cannot tie it like that only for half an hour simple. We have to always change, no?
नहीं, अगर आप थोड़ा अच्छा सा लेंगे ना तो इट रिमेन्स. अभी जब फेशियल वगैरह भी हम करवाते हैं, व्हाट डज अ ब्यूटिशियन डू? शी टेक्स लाइक द टॉवल. नहीं, वो तो स्टीमिंग के बाद क्या करते हैं आप? स्टीमिंग किया, स्टीमिंग के बाद क्या करते हैं? स्टीमिंग के बाद व्हेन शी पुट्स लाइक क्रीम एंड ऑल, देन आफ्टर मसाजिंग व्हाट डज शी रेमेडी, एंड यू विल फाइंड इवन योर टेक्सचर, योर स्मूथनेस एंड ऑल आल्सो गेटिंग इम्प्रूवाइज्ड इफ यू अडॉप्ट दिस मेथड जस्ट बिफोर टेकिंग अ बाथ. Right? And that oiling, whenever you're doing this, you can do it before taking your bath and all. Generally, ये तो general routine, like before taking your bath. See, normally what we do, after you take a bath, you will always find the number of hair strand or the hair loss would be more. Because when you're taking a bath, the hair gets wet. And they are very delicate. Then there would be always more hair which would be falling off. To prevent the hair loss, especially during the time of bath. This is one of the simple but yet very effective method of increasing the circulation in your scalp.
Nothing to do with oil.
Nothing. Scalp, tie it for say around a period of about 15 minutes to half an hour. This is also, and apply on your skin there, like make it like make sure that the toilet is properly rinsed in that hot water, and then take that towel, put it into a hot water, take a towel, take a big towel, and condition of your hair would automatically improve. Second very simple technique that I always advocate is health or the condition. So when this will get lubricated, your oil, the proper entry of oil into your nervous system, into your body properly. This is the entry of this lubricated properly. If this part should be properly lubricated. When you are oiling, make sure the crown of your hair gets entry from the crown of your head. So when in best place or the scalp, the oil really obvious. Also properly, we just put it here and only on the places which are most even know how to oil our hair. Massage it thoroughly with your fingers. And especially, see, nowadays we don't, and make sure that you apply on your scalp, slightly warm it up. And after warming it up, don't cool it, immediately apply. You're applying oil, you're making for any purpose. Normal oil means don't use oil which is at normal temperature. Slightly, whenever, don't use the normal oil. Use a slightly warm oil. Whenever you're using an oil, yes, and the simple thing is what you do when, right? So for that, when the blood comes out. So that's not anything but just on a healthy scalp. It becomes very itchy, and sometimes when you scrub it and all, it gives in your scalp region. And many times people have a small sort of, poras, a small sort of inflammatory, like, spokey growth, which makes it sometimes it becomes very inflammatory, and may find lots of heat in your. So as a result, you would always in your body. not be in a position to move away from this dandruffs, and the heat wood is not clean. That would be accumulation of your scalp. If you have too much heat, if it's to your brain, they said if it reaches to your brain, it might give you quite severe problem. So the first thing, the heat does not reach your brain or your scalp has to get cool. Now normally when you have fevers, and a doctor always advise you to keep something on your forehead so that brain. Same is the case with your scalp also. Same is the case with your become totally inactive. Would be a considerable difference in your temperature, then all your enzymes, all your hormones does not reciprocate. Right? Your digestion, your sleeping, everything occurs at one particular temperature. A little bit, 1 or 2 degree does not matter. But whenever they're above it or below it, the body occurs at a particular temperature called homeostasis. Each and every action of your body at an optimum temperature. That is what we call how a body works. Circulation is enhanced. Okay, you have to stimulate the circulation in your scalp. Third thing is that you have to maintain an equal clean. Second thing is completely important thing that if you're talking about arresting hair fall, you need to make sure that your scalp. So what's the first and weak, right? Hairs also going to become weak in their function. So as a result, when your roots are weak, obviously your hairs are to implementation to put forward. Or second thing, your sebaceous gland are not in a position. The scalp is not clean. Accumulation of dandruff used to get clean. Now because of the skin or the scalp, washing it up after washing the. You may be saying, okay, earlier I didn't have a problem, but now suddenly my hairs are becoming totally dry. The reason is that earlier when you were shampooing, when you were washing, and as a result, slowly, you'll find your hair are getting completely thin. Or you might find in the initial stages, your hair suddenly look very, very dry. There is a blockage, and this blockage of make sure there's a circulation is not reaching completely. Sebaceous glands are not in a position to work properly. That happen. You have a scalp, but because your roots, and as time passes, what would like oil and the other stuff that's really getting worked on, that does not get a chance to get the proper nutrition. Sure that your whatever nutrients that we are applying and as a result, what happens? The moisture or that oiliness of your scalp does not get a chance to do so. Right? To the surface, which is releasing the oil, the sebaceous gland, which is clean. So, on the whole, what happens when this surface is not getting sebaceous gland? Beneath it has got root. And this root are connected with your surface. Complex system of every hair, which we see on, you can say, neurons, and there is a there is a complex system of, right? And any time is stopped, blocked. The circulation is shrink. The circulation is of your head or on your scalp. And as a result, what happens? On the surface, getting accumulated oil, which are slowly positioned to get rid of this flaky tissue. You're not in a position. Yeah. So when I think it is coming from there. And they are normally called dandruffs. Dandruffs are nothing but the dead tissue which arise on the surface of your head. Rid of the dead tissue which arise